Isicelelo esibhekene nesisebenzi beziphezulu eqhulwini lesihloko zale ngqungquthela. Isisebenzi zifuna ukunyusa imiholo ngo-6.5 wama%, kodwa uhulumeni yena uphakamisa ama% amathathu. Lokhu uholele ekutheni izithunywa ze-Cosatu zenqabela usihlalo we-ANC uGwede Mantashe ukuthi athule inkulumo kule ngqungquthela.
What you've seen on the podium, the anger that was directed to the African National Congress chairperson, it's not all about the hatred towards the chairperson personally, but it is an issue, it is a material conditions on the ground. Workers are not happy.
Umengameli we-Cosatu ubese xwayisa i-ANC ngokuthi angeke libone elidlalayo okhethweni oluzayo uma ingalungisa izinkinga esibhekene nezwe.
The social compact, it must be based upon progressive principles. The social compact, it must defend the rights of workers. It must provide relief for the unemployed. It must rebuild the developmental state. It must reduce poverty and inequality in our country.
Umengameli we-Cosatu utshela amalunga alomfelandawonye uthi mningi umsebenzi obubhekene ne-Cosatu kule minyaka edlule.
We battled a global pandemic, an economic recession, frequent load shedding, the July 2021 violence, staggering unemployment, struggling state-owned enterprises and municipalities, rampant corruption, a painful local election, the 2022 floods, and the year is not yet over.
Kulindele ukuthi kukhethwe ubuholi obusha kule ngqungquthela kanti yona izophothulwa ngoLwesine. Ezindabeni ze-SABC ngikuMbuso Mkhize eGoli.